Welcome to Cloud 3D Print. In this tutorial, we will show you how to slice a model. To begin, go to Projects and click the Slice button next to the model. You can select your printers and materials at the top left. To add a printer profile, click on the Printers tab and select the corresponding model. To add material types, click on the Materials tab and select the corresponding material properties. Use click and drag to rotate the model and view it from different angles. At the top, there are various tools, like Reset, Fit to Bed Size, Zoom to Area, Color, and Appearance, which includes effects like Solid View, Wireframe, X-Ray, Vertex Normal, Background, Distance between 2 points, Reference, Logo, Grid, and Rotate. In the left side of the model viewer, you will find 3 buttons: Translate, Scale, and Rotate. Using the Translate button, you can move the models by either typing the distance along the X, Y, Z axis or by moving the corresponding axis. With the Scale button, you can type in the target dimensions or percentage to scale, or you can drag the corresponding axis. You can also click off on the uniform scaling to edit each dimension individually. Using the Rotate button, you can type in the rotation ratio or click 45 or minus 45 degrees to rotate for preset angles. In addition, you can click on the mesh on the surface and select any mesh on the model. The mesh will be designed to be the bottom mesh that touches the printing bed. You can also select the slicing engine, either Cura or Super Slicer. For more advanced sizing features, change from Basic to Advanced to access more slicing parameters. When you are ready, click the Slice button. If you wish to change the model or slicing parameters, you can return to Prepare by clicking on it at the top right. Now you're ready to send it out to a 3D printer. That's all for this tutorial. See you next time.